All right, so we are going to go through a video that I think many of you may see it as a controversial, video, but I have to make my opinion. I have to share my own view on that. Those of you that have, argued with me, you know yourself, about Very-Darkman, listen, I don't hate him. I don't hate Very-Darkman like some people think that I do. I don't hate him. When he do something good, I will appreciate him. But when he try to manipulate or do something like in a negative way, as if he's very, very smart and all that, that's where I have issue. This issue of Bill Lord and Very-Darkman, I am not the kind of person that make comment based on the fact that Bill Lord is an Igbo man, therefore I support it. No, I have already point out where I felt that Bill Lord got it wrong, and of course where Very-Darkman misfired. If you know, you know. I have said that many times. I'm not saying this because I want you to, I want you to clap for me or anything as such. But you cannot pretend that you know you are what you are not actually. You cannot just pretend at all time that you are this when you are not. Many of you can agree that Very-Darkman claim that he's fighting for everybody, he's this, he's that, and all that. But there's one character that makes me feel like, okay, is this part of the activism? I don't think it should be. Look at now. Look after the last court sitting, when they gave Bill Lord, a bail condition, right? And he couldn't meet up because his passport could not fly from Anambra to Abuja on that very day. So they have to put him back to Kuje until this coming Monday, which is going to be tomorrow. All right. What did the Very-Darkman do? He jumped out again, begin to brag. Oh no, I don't. This is not about Bill Lord. It's about educational purpose as an academician. So all these things is reason why I always see him as I always feel like he's just manipulating things. Now, apart from that, the issue of Shore came up. He started saying a lot of things about Shore and all that. Is Shore a saint? Shore is not a saint. But putting that man as he's a saint, that is where I also have issue. He's not a saint either. One of the arguments from Shore is that the judge in charge of that, the judge they use in the issue of Bill Lord is known for compromising. Very-Darkman refused to accept that. He said no, that this man, the woman is this, is that. The woman is one of the lawyers, one of the judges that don't take a bribe and all that. Now that woman has been exposed. Please don't check out of anger because you are a VDM fan, you are your own fan, you don't want to listen. Just calm down. Let's go through it little by little. Now, I want you to pay close attention to this post from Very-Darkman. I think he made this post 20 hours ago, 21 hours ago. He said, a billionaire couldn't hire a private jet to deliver his passport. Content creator questions Bill Lord's billionaire status. Are you following? That is Very-Darkman. The reason why they put that bail condition that day is because it's almost weekend, and they have anticipated that he's not gonna meet all the bail condition. What do? They have to just to mock him. You get the point now. Now, questioning those things is okay. But being a billionaire is not about, to say it, your account will back it up. But you don't waste money because of the, higher private jet to prove a point. Now I'm going somewhere. Just watch. Because many people don't understand what this means. I want you to listen to what Very-Darkman said according to what this person, the post he made. Okay, what this person said here in this video. Now this is Very-Darkman, as you can see here. Now hear what Very-Darkman said, so that you understand why people are calling him out.
With this Very-Darkman, I can confirm that you are a thief. Unfortunately, again, for Bidon, he has the money, he has the connection. You understand? Like he claimed, I don't know, but like he claimed. But sadly, the judge that handled this case is a judge with a lot of credibility. And I'm talking about Justice Ajimogobia, a woman that is not willing to compromise, no matter the money that was being offered.
Before, listen, a woman that is not willing to compromise despite all the money that was being offered. I follow. So they even made an attempt to offer money. That's number one. That one he's just clear on that. They even made an attempt. That's why he said, despite all the money that was being offered. Remember, he said the woman has a lot of credibility. Such as what? Hear it again. I'm going to go back and I'm not going to interrupt again. Please serve your ear this food and allow it to sink and make sense out of it.
With this Very-Darkman, I can confirm that you are a thief. Unfortunately, again, for Bidon, he has the money, he has the connection. You understand? Like he claimed, I don't know, but like he claimed. But sadly, the judge that handled this case is a judge with a lot of credibility. And I'm talking about Justice Ajimogobia, a woman that is not willing to compromise, no matter the money that was being offered. Very-Darkman, thunder go fire your mouth. Fire this judge. Are you serious? You are truly a manipulator. This judge, when they carry this case, go deep so. Now, one of the most corrupt judges in the history of this country. This judge that is known for bribery and corruption. This publication is in 2016. Justice Rita affiliate Motobia arraigned for money laundering in Lagos. Let's go again. This one.
I think I need to fix the visual, of this. Let me just put it in the right order so that I want to be seeing the woman and hear what this guy said here.
He has the money, he has the connection. You understand? Like he claimed, I don't know, but like he claimed. But sadly, the judge that handled this case is a judge with a lot of credibility.
Okay.
And I'm talking about Justice Ajimogobia, a woman that is not willing to compromise, no matter the money that was being offered. Very-Darkman, thunder go fire your mouth. Fire this judge. Are you serious? You are truly a manipulator. This judge, when they carry this case, go deep so. Now, one of the most corrupt judges in the history of this country. This judge that is known for bribery and corruption. This publication is in 2016. Justice Rita affiliate Motobia arraigned for money laundering in Lagos. Let's go again. This one, now 2019, suspended Justice Afili Aduo, still a judge, says senior advocate. Another one in 2018, December 15, 2018, this publication. Justice Ofili Adumophobia, whatever they are, slums in courts. This woman, after they do her arraignment for 2019, you know this thing where these corrupt politicians they do now. That's why this woman slumped for court. Now this one, same in 2016, the FCC uncovered bogus financial transaction by Justice Rita Ajumogobia. This one at 2016, reported by Vanguard newspaper. Now judge, where Very-Darkman carry case, go meet with this one. This one is still 2016. Justice Rita Ofili in fresh trouble for collecting 5 million naira bribe from a former EFCC lawyer, Godwin Opla Sam. Nobody dey collect bribe like this judge again. This judge don collect bribe from former EFCC lawyer, 5 million naira bribe. This judge don collect bribe, 5 million naira bribe in 2016. So if Very-Darkman can say this judge get credibility, then something is really wrong in this country. So Very-Darkman, na so you dey numerous and uncountable corrupt cases where this woman gets. This particular woman, they don't dismiss her before, don't suspend her before from being a judge. Now the same judge, now Very-Darkman, they talk say he get credibility, say he get integrity, say nobody fit bribe her. So Very-Darkman, all your life you have been living in opposite of what you say. You are a direct opposite of what you show to people in the public. With this, Very-Darkman, I can confirm that you are a thief. Very-Darkman, you are a thief. You are a manipulator. So this guy not be human being. You are a devil. For you to say this woman get integrity, Very-Darkman, you are a devil.
All right. So this kind of exposition is what Very-Darkman did not see coming, and he's the one that always call people out. The recent videos of him on Shore and all that, like I told you, Shore is not a saint. Yes, but you cannot be pointing fingers on people that they are this, that, but only you is holy. No, there must be something going on about it. That's why you are eager to shift people's attention on your own issue for you to excel. You know, people know what Shore represent. Like Simon, we know this guy you are seeing here now has something to say about Shore.
Now, this is the kind of activism we talk about when we talk about somebody being an activist. What is the classical difference here? This is somebody that talks about a systemic failure that challenges a system. Because when you challenge a system, when you have a functional system, that is when changes happen. Not isolated fights, not personalized issues. Personalized issues doesn't take the country anywhere. But you know, funny enough, why this kind of things cannot fly and see through that the change come through? Because a bunch of people will prefer to sit down and actually do nothing about this. Because just look at it. Imagine a situation where you have just like 500,000 Nigerians out of 250 million to actually see reasons why there is need to mount the street in regards to this high cost of tariff. Don't you think the problem will be solved? But it will never. Rather, we prefer to celebrate mediocrity. And cheap talks, cheap opinions online. Cheap opinions talk online. That is the easiest thing to do. But I bet you one of the hardest things to do is for people to come together to rally behind this kind of ideologies. So the next time you think of bringing a man that challenges a system, systemic issues, think twice. Because silencing this kind of voice, I am telling you, only God knows what will become of Nigeria. A lot of us, a lot of people are enjoying what this man stands for in the country. Whether you like him or you don't like him, that is the reality. How many people has he freed from detention? Unnecessary detention. A lot. But it's well.
That is it. Everybody with their own opinion. So what is your own opinion? Please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Share it to many platforms of your choice. Subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. I can't wait to see your comments. You know, if you are in support or you are against. Or maybe this may be the first thing that you are learning from Very-Darkman. Maybe this is the first time you be like, wow, so Darkman, you can actually do this kind of thing. Praising the lawyer, praising a judge that have this kind of record, and you are known for tracking people's information to know their credibility. You say your name is Mr. Credibility and all that, because I hate it when a fellow man begins to mock a fellow man on things that are not necessary. You have what it takes. You have put Lord in prison and all that. Glory be to God on your behalf, right? You have done what you want. You are man. You okay. But coming back to by bad and all that, your lawyer said, "Oh, we have moved on. He's not our friend." At the end of the day, back in your mind, you are still nursing wounds. You are still having some wounds. What do you expect to? What do you want to do again? I don't understand. But sometimes, and in the process of mocking the Lord, you are dragging people to that. That's why that's where my mind started, changing a little bit from where anything dark man. I've argued with many people about this issue, and then I tried to not to argue with anybody about it because we have right to our opinion. Please let me know your own opinion. Maybe we have not discussed about it, and you have maybe you have something to say. Please hit the like button, hit the comment section, and let us know. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.